A notice of appeal in relation to our application to request for Datuk Seri Ram to be disqualified, because this application was dismissed in the High Court by the judge yesterday. So we have filed it today for the appeal. Now the reason why we thought we should appeal is because we have got an overwhelming reason thinking that the disqualification of Sri Ram is almost inevitable. One, as you know, the issue regarding Tan Sri Apandi's disclosure, right? Tan Sri Apandi's disclosure was not rebutted. In fact, in many ways, it was confirmed by Sri Ram. That's number one. If that is the case, then there will be a misconduct on the part of the prosecutor. This is exactly what we have submitted, and this is the reason why we are now appealing. Secondly, as you know, after we have filed in everything, there was a second matter, namely his appointment his appointment involved his involvement not merely as a prosecutor but as an investigator. I mean, he's involved in the investigation, which is not allowed. The prosecution said no, they are not involved in the investigation. But we sent two letters to the judge before the decision yesterday, because in Tommy Thomas' book, he has disclosed on in two parts of the book, where he said he has specifically requested DPPs to be involved in the investigation itself. In fact, in one instance, he said, I have sent DPP to be involved in the investigation of the crime scene. Two portions of it. So, on both counts, we feel that we've got a very strong reason to appeal, and that's why we call up this press conference to see that we are pursuing this matter. That is as far as disqualification of Sri Ram is concerned. But today you heard something interesting that happened in the 1MDB case. Whatever that we file in New York, we cannot reiterate that to the press because we are forbidden. But you know that in the submission before the judge today, we have asked the judge to stand down, or rather to postpone this hearing, to give way to the discovery that we have applied in New York. There are so many things that we have applied in New York because that is relevant for purposes of the cross-examination of the witnesses here. Okay? That is as much as I can say.